The government is warning against an impending second wave of COVID-19 infections. This follows high numbers of new infections recorded in the country over the last few weeks. Health Cabinet Secretary Kagwe has blamed laxity among Kenyans for the rise in the numbers, saying that most of them are not observing COVID-19 containment measures. According to the CS, 685 new infections have been recorded in the last 24 hours, as Sada Hassan now reports.
It is 217 days into the fight against COVID-19. The young people being blamed for violating containment measures put in place by the Ministry of Health. Recently, the government opened up entertainment joints like bars, which, according to the Health CS, could be giving rise to the number of COVID-19 infections. Over the last 24 hours alone, 685 new infections were reported, the highest number in the recent past.
We are heading for a second wave, without doubt.
The statistics given by the ministry also shows that 7 patients have succumbed to the virus, raising the fatality number to 832.
We are also witnessing high ICU cases, including in counties such as Isiolo, where there has never been an ICU case, but now we have them.
Nakuru County has been listed as a rising hotspot, with counties like Turkana, Trans Nzoia, Kisii, Kilifi and Bungoma following suit. 4% of the cases have been recorded from people aged 58 years and above, and they also account for 50% of the fatalities.
Telling you that we are getting more severe form of the disease. And what is also unique in this second part of the infection is that all age groups are affected.
As a result, the National Emergency Response Committee has proposed that the Interfaith Council holds a meeting to discuss the way forward in regards to religious institutions. At the same time, the political class has been cautioned and will be held responsible for any cases emanating from political rallies.
If Kenyans begin to fall in the streets, political leadership that is creating those gatherings must take responsibility and own up to that fact.
But even as the government issued a new warning, few Kenyans turned out for the last day of targeted testing for the virus in Nairobi County.
Not everyone is as receptive as we were when we started getting into this pandemic initially. Everyone was eager, people were scared, everyone wanted to be tested. But right now, people are asking lots of questions to us why we really we want them to come and get tested.
The government has warned that it could be forced to revert to tough containment measures if the matter goes out of hand. Sada Hassan, KTN News,